Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you a traditional South Indian recipe, sesame rice or Ellu Podi Sadam. According to Ayurveda, sesame has warming properties, which makes this a great recipe for the colder months. So let's get cooking. For the sesame rice, here I have 3/4 of a cup of cooked basmati rice, half a cup of sesame seeds, 1/4 cup and a tablespoon of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 5 dry red chilies, 10 to 15 curry leaves, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, and around a teaspoon of sugar to balance out the flavors. I also have a 1/4 of a lemon. We're going to start by roasting our sesame seeds in a pan on medium-high heat till it turns to a light pinkish brown color, which should take around 6 to 7 minutes. After which, we can set this aside to cool down. In the same pan, we're going to roast our lentils and chilies on medium-high heat. Here we're adding a 1/4 cup of the chana dal, a tablespoon of the urad dal, and 4 red chilies that we've broken into smaller pieces to release its flavors. We're going to save the rest of the lentils and the chili for a tempering. We want to dry roast this mixture till the urad dal turns to a reddish brown color like this. We can then set this mixture aside to cool down as well. Once the mixture cools down, we're going to add this to a blender jar and pulse till almost fine, like this. We can then add in the roasted sesame seeds to the same pulsed mixture and grind till fine. We want to add the sesame seeds after pulsing the lentils so that the oil from the sesame seeds doesn't clump the mixture. This powder can be stored in an airtight container in a cool place for up to 2 to 3 months. You can also add in some salt to taste to this mixture. Now it's time to make the tempering. In a small pan on high heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. You can substitute this with sunflower oil, but sesame oil adds to the flavor of this dish and is more traditional. To do this, we can add in the mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Then we can add the remaining chana dal, the urad dal, and the chili that we broke into 2 to release its flavors. We want to mix this tempering till all the lentils turn to a reddish brown color, after which we can reduce the heat to low and add in our curry leaves. We only want to cook this for around 10 to 15 seconds more, after which we can switch off the element. Now it's time to assemble the dish. In a bowl here, we're adding in the cooked rice, 3 tablespoons of the sesame lentil powder, the sugar, all of the tempering, and salt to taste, the 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, and we want to mix this well to look cohesive. We can finish the dish with a squeeze of lemon and a roasted papad or aplam on the side. For a more complete meal, you can pair this with a South Indian based stew or kute. I have a bunch of those on the channel as well. Please let me know if you make this recipe in the comments below and what you paired it with. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. And I'll see you next time with another recipe. Bye!